Join me as I whip up a delicious diabetic dump recipe for under $4 a serving. Now, you can't have a recipe without the ingredients, and all these I've purchased at the Walmart, Kroger, Aldi. You can shop your favorite stores for the deals. We have our fajita seasoning mix at about $1.25. The most expensive part of this is our meat at $8.89. Onion averages about 70 cents. Our Mission Carb Balance wraps are about $4. And our cabbage bag is about $1.50, which brings us to a total of per serving, about $4.09. Go ahead and grab that crock pot or slow cooker. Let me know what you say. Are you team crock pot or team slow cooker? Let me know in the comments. Cutting board and knife. We're going ahead and giving that onion a nice little cut. One onion, 44 calories. You all know this by now. Cutting onions makes me cry. Yes, I wear contacts. I have tried so many of the wonderful tricks and tips y'all have given me. Thank you so much for those, but guess what? I need more. So I wear my contacts. I still cry. I put the onion in the refrigerator. Still cry. I put the onion in the freezer. Still cry. So if you have some thoughts, I really need to know in that comment section. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shelly. I'm a dietitian. During the day, I see folks with prediabetes, diabetes, those in post menopause, as well as those looking to lose weight. If that's you, you're going to want to subscribe to this channel because, hey, you're going to get some great recipes and tips to follow. You see that I add the seasoning to this. Use fajita. You could use taco seasoning. Just make sure that sugar on the label is 0. I'm adding my stew meat to this, and you know, meat is a great source of protein. Protein keeps us full. It promotes satiety. It keeps our blood sugars stable. My goal for the day for protein for you all is 90 grams or higher. That's about 3 to 4 ounces at our meal time. So don't be afraid of your nice lean meat. We love those. You're going to go ahead and cover this. You're going to cook it on low for about 4 to 6 hours. Go ahead and remove that lid. This looks amazing. It smells amazing. I wish we had smelly vision. Now, before you go, I want to plate this for you and really talk about this. We're using our Mission Carb Balance wraps. I love these. They are amazing. They're a huge source of fiber. You all know by now that fiber slows blood sugar absorption, so it helps keep our blood sugar stable. It helps with weight loss. We need to be eating 35 grams of fiber or higher in a day. That's what I stress to my folks in my clinic. We're going to go ahead and put some cabbage on it. This is an amazing dinner, all for under $4.09 per serving. Put this on your shopping list. I promise you won't regret it. And for more recipes and fun, be sure to subscribe.